what it do? It's your girl Planet Nigeria in the back in it again. Y'all, so my little sister was like bugging me to do her hair, and she wanted the 2-layer braids, and she wanted it like small and nice and tight as fuck. And if you know me, I get sit down. I like to, when I do something, I like it to be, you know, something that someone will appreciate and everybody will be like, damn, who did that? You feel me? I put all my effort into anything that I do. I decided to film myself and my sister while I was doing her hair, right? So I want y'all to go ahead and watch this 2-layer braids. Let me know what you think. You mean? I'm a self-taught hairstylist. Ain't nobody teach me nothing. I did not go to no school or none of that. I taught myself. So let me know how y'all think I did. You feel me, man? Right now, subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. Cause Everyday Squad, we getting big, you feel me, man? And when once we get big, don't try to join on the bandwagon. Might as well just join now. You dig me, man? Yeah, man. So go subscribe, share this video. I would appreciate it if y'all could share this video. Let your family see it. Let your brother, sister, uncle, all your relatives, even your enemies, let them see it. You feel me, man? Don't be selfish, man. You dig, man? Yeah, man. So yeah, get into this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Machine like these other independent women. Okay, y'all, so you guys can see the pattern for this 2-layer braids. This is how we're doing it, and it's a fade-in braids. I'm using Expression in color 27, and it is mixed with a white braiding hair. And what I'm doing is just fitting in, pull it to the other side, tuck it in. There you go. Fitting in braids is just tucking in extra hair underneath. And this is not a tutorial. I do not explain how to cornrow. I'm just showing you the pattern for this fitting braids. You dig, man?
Girl, you so right, you so tight. This is why she tight. Got her own job, car and own supply. I'ma tell you why she tight. Get loose on the weekend, but on Monday she tight. She don't need a man, help do it by her damn self. This is why she tight. Girl, you so right.
I learned that I like to use jam to braid because it helps with any little flyaways, and it just tucks in everything, and it makes it smooth to braid. And then you can see it just makes it easy for me to move as fast as I am right now.
Got her looking like a teacher, and I know how to treat her. She just graduated college with a whole lot of knowledge. Got a 4.0, she a Zuma cum laude. Got a brand new Audi. She love to stand out like a tummy with an Audi. I'm telling you about her cause I'm hoping and I'm wishing. I've been trying to get at her like a Twitter page mention. I'm hoping she'll listen every time I think about her. Man, I swear it's something about her. Let me tell you something about her.
This is why she tight. Got her own job, car and own supply. I'ma tell you why she tight. Get loose on the weekend, but on Monday she tight. She don't need a man, help do it by her damn self. This is why she tight. Girl, you so right, you so tight.
I know about everything people say about her, but I don't care about everything people say about her. I tell her, shawty, you got it, baby, you know it. And I'ma give you whatever, baby, you know it. Lil' mama so independent, but she ain't like these other independent women. Listen to all her friends and what they think of the men. She got a mind of her own, I'ma try and fit in. You deserve the world plus more. Let me take you out to eat, I'm paying mine plus yours. Then she tell me that she got it, and I ask what for. She just need a man.
This is another summer protective hairstyle for natural and non-natural hair. This style is perfect for the summer. It is easy to manage. All you have to do is just wrap your hair with scarf at night, go to bed, wake up in the morning, take that scarf off, and you're good to go. So this is like a win-win when it comes to this hairstyle.
Girl, you so right, you so tight. is why she tight. Got her own job, car and on supply. I'ma tell you why she tight. Get loose on the weekend, but on Monday she tight. She don't need a man, help do it by damn self. This is why she tight. Girl, you so right, you so tight.
Have you ever met a girl so innocent, sweet like caramel, baby, so heaven sent? Looking for a man, you could tell, so evident, but need something better than the one she been messing with. I say I'm 22, hey beautiful, nice to meet you. How about you take my number and hit me over the weekend? I know she got class, cause everything about her got her looking like a teacher. And I know how to treat her, she just graduated college with a whole lot of knowledge. Got a 4.0, she a Zuma cum laude, got a brand new Audi. She love to stand out like a tummy with an Audi. I'm telling you about her cause I'm hoping and I'm wishing. I've been trying to get at her like a Twitter page mention. I hope that she'll listen every time I think about her. Man, I swear it's something about her. Let me tell you something about her.
This is why she tight. Got her own job, car and on supply. I'ma tell you why she tight. Get loose on the weekend, but on Monday she tight. She don't need a man, help do it by damn self. This is why she tight. Girl, you so right, you so tight.
Just in case you're wondering who sang this song, it is my nigga inside Tony. Check him out in the description. It's in my description box, so check him out. It's a dope artist.
Independent women listen to all her friends and what they think of the men. She got a mind of her own, I'ma try and fit in. You deserve the world plus more. Let me take you out to eat, I'm paying mine plus yours. Then she tell me that she got it, and I ask what for. She just need a man to be a man, and that's much more. Man, I like the way she thinking. I ain't saying that I shouldn't. I respect her for a way. I know a lot of people wouldn't. Every time I think about her, man, I swear it's something about her. Let me tell you something about her.
This is why she tight. Got her own job, car and on supply. I'ma tell you why she tight. Get loose on the weekend, but on Monday she tight. She don't need a man, help do it by damn self. This is why she tight. Girl, you so right, you so tight.
Have you ever met a girl so innocent, sweet like caramel, baby, so heaven sent? Looking for a man, you could tell, so evident, but need something better than the one she been messing with. I say I'm 22, hey beautiful, nice to meet you. How about you take my number and hit me over the weekend? I know she got class, cause everything about her got her looking like a teacher. And I know how to treat her, she just graduated college with a whole lot of knowledge. Got a 4.0, she a Zuma cum laude, got a brand new Audi. She love to stand out like a tummy with an Audi. I'm telling you about her cause I'm hoping that
I am about done with this hairstyle, the 2-layer feed in braids. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun braiding this hair. I took my time on it. It's actually my first time in a long time that I've done something like this, and I hope you guys really liked it. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel before this video is over. Hit that subscribe button, share with your friends. I greatly appreciate it. I love you guys. You already know.
About everything people say about it. I tell her, shawty, you got it, baby, you know it. And I'ma give you whatever, baby, you know it. Little mama so independent, but she ain't like these other independent women. Listen to all her friends and what they think of the men. She got a mind of her own, I'ma try and fit in. You deserve the world plus more. Let me take you out to eat, I'm paying mine plus yours. Then she tell me that she got it, and I ask what for. She just need a man to be a man, and that's much more, man.
It is important to dip in braiding hair once done in hot water so that it can get away the frizziness. And right here I'm just gonna do a little bit of trimming and we're all done. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Like I said, I had fun this whole time doing this hair. It was fun. Don't you forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, and make sure you hit that like button. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is follow these 4 simple steps. Be sure that you're a subscriber. You have to be following me on Instagram at FineAndNubian, and you have to share this video. And once you are all done, you come back in the comments, you enter comment done, and I'm going to post you in my next video. I got you.
Need a man help do it by themselves. This is why she tight. Girl, you so right. You so tight.